EPMO primary focus is Enterprise Project Management Office, which means its primary focus is on how GIBB manage projects internally. The importance of managing these projects, I think, is pivotal to both EPMO and EPCM. It's integration. Procument itself, maybe zooming into it in particular, it is very pivotal to project delivery strategy. We have to decide as early as possible during the project inception on how we're going to procure professional services, how we're going to procure materials, how we're going to procure the contractors, and how we're going to resource the project. So that talks to how we're going to procure the project. You will know that some people can go and say we want to go and do what we call the conventional way, in which the client might decide to manage himself, to manage everything from his office. Or the client may choose to say that I need to bring on board a partner and have an EPCM arrangement in which the partner will take large part of project management role to ensure that engineering, procurement, and construction management are done properly to meet the client objectives or project objectives. The client might also choose to procure the project using what they call an EPC model, which is engineer, procure, and construct, in which he transfers the total delivery risk of the project to the contractor. Now, each of these got its own risk profile, in which the risk apportionment will have to be done based on the project risk profile, which will be informed by the client risk appetite and his capabilities. In GIBB, we have adopted EPMO to ensure that we've got an integrated approach, number one, which enables us to manage our resources effectively. Number two, which enables us to plan and assign resources to deliver specific deliverables. And when we do that, we are also able to monitor progressively both progress and quality of our deliverables. And also, over and above that, we monitor cost related to the delivery. And our EPMO system enables us to be able to account and report against project-specific performance. And we roll that up to what we call a portfolio report, which helps us to be able to pick all projects where there might be issues timeously and respond accordingly. EPCM, from where I am, I look at it from two perspectives. One is that EPCM is being seen in general as a contracting model, meaning that is how the client acquires services from the professional service provider, where he saying, I would like you to come and assume my responsibilities with respect to the management of engineering, procurement, and construction of this project. But I would like to look at the person where we view EPCM as a project delivery model, in which we are saying that central to it is an integrated approach, which requires vertical integration and horizontal integration to ensure successful delivery of the project. Can we divorce that approach from the project delivery, a special engineering concerned project? My view is that no, which means this capability will remain relevant. It might be owned or housed by different entities, maybe by the service providers or by the client in-house, but pivotal to any engineering construction project delivery. It's an integrated approach that integrates engineering vertically, procurement, construction horizontally, and make sure that there is synergy and alignment to enable all professionals from all different domains to work together towards the realization of the project objectives. So for me, really, in a nutshell, the EPCM for me remain a core capability to ensure successful of engineering and construction projects. Without it, I think we'll battle to even build the infrastructure we need, the industries we need, and all other things we need as a country in general.